Hey guys, this is Pankaj B and you're watching me on Reviews Unplugged, where you get the real insight. So guys, today I'm not going to talk to you about any movie or a web series. I'm just excited about a trailer which I've seen one day ago. This movie with the name of See You Soon, which is actually a Malayalam movie with English subtitles, going to be released on September 1st. So frankly speaking, if you guys are not comfortable in Malayalam or watching a movie with English subtitles, you need to wait for some time to get the audio or for the Amazon to get it released with the Hindi audio or English audio. Now, talking about this trailer, what excites me about this trailer is the concept of this movie. The entire movie is a kind of a interaction between the characters on online platform. Of course, we guys are very much familiar or very much interested in seeing certain good movie shots from close angle, from far angle. But this is a new concept, especially for Indian cinema. This concept is actually not new to film industry. In 2018, there is a movie called Searching. It got released where the character of father started searching for her missing daughter and put the entire internet world upside down for searching his daughter. And this concept was very much appreciated. Fahad Fasil, who is the producer of this movie and also a lead character of this movie, along with him, Roshan Mathew and Darshana Rajendran is also in a lead role. This movie is directed by Mahesh Narayanan. Definitely, this concept is going to appeal those section of audiences who are constantly looking for something new in the movie world. Of course, it will be a different experience altogether, and definitely watching it over a streaming platform will be definitely a very different kind of a viewing experience. Now, this 2.5 minutes of clipping shows the character of Roshan Mathew get connected with a girl which is played by Darshana Narayan in this movie. The name of the character is Anu. They both get hitched for some time over online chatting. Suddenly, the character of Anu got missed from the online platform, and the character of Roshan Mathew started looking for her frantically. And after quite a long time, she again suddenly appeared on the chatting platform and in a very gruesome condition, which makes this character of Roshan Mathew very much disturbed, and he started looking for her in a very frantic way, or you can say that in a very disturbed way. The way the camera angles shots the sequences of interaction with the characters, it seems really it is very authentic. And also this movie gonna gives you a feel that we all are living in a 21st century world. I mean, where we are interacting in such a way with other people on the online platform with very ease in nowadays. It has been shown and it has been depicted on this in this movie. Now, it will be definitely a different kind of a viewing experience for you guys altogether. So I just recommend you block your dates for 1st of September, watch it and feel it, because it will not be like any kind of a flashy sequences where you have a different kind of experience. Now here, why I'm saying it is very much different, because the concept is new. Okay, maybe in coming times there may be more adoption of these kind of movies in Indian cinema. So please block your dates of 1st of September, watch it. This 2.5 minutes of clipping seems quite gripping, and it ensures a kind of a wholesome entertainment when it will release. I block my date of 1st September. Let's see this new concept gonna make a mark in Indian film industry or not. Well, what will be the fate of this movie See You Soon? Only time and audience will decide. But this is a new concept, and what you feel about that, please do mention in this comment box. Well, definitely I would love to hear more from you. If you really need me to talk about any particular movie or a web series who are currently streaming on OTT platform. So guys, this is Pankaj Beer. You're listening me on Reviews Unplugged. For more such reviews, please do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. My Twitter profile is @beer_Pankaj and my Insta profile is reviews_unplugged. So guys, bye for now.